friends, in this video what we are going to do is we are going to modify my script so that my computer could predict the direction of the angle that my ball should be fired so that it could hit the bug. Let's do that. What I am going to select is machine learning model from the toolbox and select the recognize number block into repeat until and set my variables as x and my second variable as angle and select the hit option from my machine learning model tool. What we have done is my computer would repeat the process of randomly selecting the angle only when it's predicting more than 20 guesses that it will hit the bug. So you can see I have modified it. It would recognize the angle, the coordinate of the bug, and it could predict or it could make random choices only when it thinks it could hit the bug. So let's again, what we have to do is make my computer learn the model. So I am going to select learn and test and train new machine learning model. Now, for example, if I'll select my x coordinate as 50 and my angle as 30, let's test this condition. Okay, so my machine learning model or my computer is predicting this coordinate and angle as hit option. For example, if the coordinate of the bug is 50 and the angle of my ball is 30 and I would launch it at an angle of projectile of 30 degree, it would definitely hit the bug. So now let's see what actually my machine learning model is doing. I'll select on describe your model. Okay, so you can see what is my machine learning model is actually doing. It's actually dividing it into two parts. My condition is divided into two parts. If there is a coordinate or an angle we have set such that it's true that it would be hit, then it's basically dividing into left side. And if the prediction is wrong, that is missing the shot, it would go this way if the test is false. So I'll just show you a short example of how this model is actually working. Okay, so my model is actually working for my 30 degree angle and 50 x coordinate. It's actually going the left side way and predicting as hit. So for that prediction, it's actually working on a classifier that is decision tree classifier. It's making the decision on the conditions based, you can see in this tree. For now, let's ignore this tree and just understand that my computer is actually making a decision based on my x coordinate and my angle such that it's actually dividing it into two parts, that if it's a hit prediction, that is my ball would hit the bug, it would go and follow the left path, and if it's like the condition is false or if it would miss the shot, it would follow the right path. Now let's go back again to our model and see what we have done thus far. So what we have done is we have trained our model. By training, I mean we have collected some examples by playing randomly and manually into the two buckets which we have created in the training section. Using that pattern of examples, my computer is what it's doing is it's predicting whether the shot will be hit or whether the shot would miss the bug. So this model is generally called decision tree classifier or decision tree classifier machine learning model, because it's making the decision based on the conditions. In the next tutorial, what we are going to do is, we are going to understand why we are using this model and is there other ways or many other models we can use in this game.